If you're tackling heavy-duty repairs, the right tools make all the difference. This 3/4 impact socket set delivers the strength and reliability you need to get the job done without hassle. Designed specifically for use with impact wrenches, it handles stubborn fasteners on larger vehicles with ease. Each socket in this 8-piece set is crafted from tough chrome vanadium steel. That means you get greater torque output and a tool built to last. The black phosphate finish adds a layer of corrosion resistance, so your sockets stay sharp and ready, even after repeated use in demanding conditions. What sets these sockets apart is their special deep design. Instead of gripping the corners, they clamp onto the flat sides of nuts and bolts. This reduces the risk of stripping or rounding off fasteners, which can slow down your work or cause damage. Paired with a high-torque impact gun, these sockets tackle even the most stubborn bolts. Reading socket sizes in dimly lit workspaces can be frustrating. That's why these sockets feature high-contrast, laser-etched markings that are easy to see. This small but important detail helps you work faster and more accurately, especially when time is tight. The set includes 8 common say sizes, covering a broad range of standard fasteners. Everything comes neatly organized in a blow-molded storage case, making it simple to carry your tools where you need them and keep your workspace tidy. Users across the United States praise the durability of these sockets. Many rely on them daily without any issues, highlighting their consistent performance on the job. If you're looking for a reliable, heavy-duty socket set, this one deserves a close look. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a dedicated DIYer, this 3/4 impact socket set offers the durability and precision to improve your workflow. If that's you, investing in quality tools like this can save time and frustration on every project. Ready to upgrade your toolkit? This impact socket set combines heavy-duty build quality with smart design features that protect your fasteners and speed up your work. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference solid, dependable tools make.